Hello everyone, I am Dr. Niti Sharma, specialist in fish genetics and breeding, recently working as a scientist in ICR in the Institute of ICR Sifri Regional Center, Guwahati. So after passing my 12th exam, so I was thinking where I can get admission in a professional degree. But at the time, I was not so interested in studying in medical or in an engineering field. I wanted to do something different. So nearby in our town, there is a fishery department who suggested me to take fishery as a profession during that time. And it was a very budding science at that time. So I went to Assam Agriculture University to take admission in Bachelor degree of Fishery Science, and I got interested in seeing that the fishery is one of the subject in Assam Agriculture University. So I got admitted in Assam Agriculture University during that time. To enter this fishery science profession, first you need to have interest in science, and that too in animals, as in fish is a vertebrate. So in 10+2, you have to take PCV as your major subject, biology as the main course, and you have to score more than 60% in PCV. So if you say about skills, in fishery science, we need to learn about aquaculture, about rivers, we need to learn about wetlands, about the fish taxonomy. You can learn about the nutrition also, you can learn about fish processing technologies also there, extension activities are also there. Means research plus extension activities can also be done in the fishery science profession. Since fishery is related to water, mainly rivers, ocean, wetlands, you need to go to field, you need to explore the whole nature. So first thing, you need to know how to swim. Okay, if not how to swim, you need to know how to face the water current, or you need to have the capability of like facing the water, because many of a youngster, they are very afraid of going to the rivers or getting some adventurous or exploration studies. So thing is that you need to explore it. And second thing is that since in Assam we are having only one Assam Agriculture University, and fisheries is like a growing science. No, it's not very much developed. So you need to make like people aware of it. Like you need to. No, you can't think of like you'll get very much of big opportunities, but still it is there. Like in fishery science, you can go for the fishery development officers. You can go for like scientific studies. But reverse is that like this, since it's a budding science, you have very much of opportunities in coming to this field. Yeah, I will say it's very adventurous. It's going very good. Since I'm a scientist here, after passing my master degree, I have directly got recruitment as a scientist. So along with research, I'm doing research. Along with research, I'm getting to explore the field. I can deal with the farmers. I can directly deal with the communities, like the fisher communities. I can see the nature, how beautiful the fishes are. There are variety of fishes. There are like more than 30,000 of fish species are there in the whole world, and you can explore the whole fisheries. No, like we know very less about fisheries, but after coming to this field, like I got adventurous field to study in, where I can do both research, I do both exploration. And milestone, if I say from my BFSc degree, I studied through my scholarship. You know, because in BFSc, if you do well, if you're a merit student, you'll get scholarship. After passing my MFSc, there also I got fellowship in CIFE Mumbai. Then again, after that, I got so much of fellowship from many institutions, and I got the best student award also. And it's going very good in my professional career. If you say emerging trends, if you like I told, genetics. I was interested very much in genetics. So so I can work in genetics. Like fisheries is an applied science. So you can go to genetics, biotech, you can go to resource management, you can go to cultural perspective. And if you say profession, if you want to do some government job, like for me, like ICR, you can go for the Assam universities, you can go the departmental government jobs, like as I told, fishery development officers, and very international and national institute, they are having the private jobs, and companies also like Godrej and all, they are also in fisheries field. So they take fishery graduate as a profession, and in international ground also you can get the opportunities. First thing is that after 10+2, you can go for the main courses if you want to get like the permanent job, as I was saying. But if you want to study fishery science as a diploma, you can take. Now many universities, many colleges, they have taken up diploma courses in fishery science. And in foreign countries also, you can go for the fishery science as a subject in like aquaculture, like fishery resource management, like biotech. They all deal with the fisheries. So yeah, there is a great opportunity, and there are many online courses also. You can also study fishery science in there. And we, like ISA Institute, are here to give you training and many courses we provide. We have the Educational Institute, so we provide many courses for the diploma and plus the 4 years graduation course plus 2 degree master degree course. So I like to say, to our young generation, if you're interested in animals, you're interested in fishes, please do study fishery science, because you will never get a field like this where you can do both research and do both adventure together. And if you're really, really interested, I just want to say to our youth, this is the best opportunity for you to study the fishery science, because it's a very budding science. And yeah, you will get the advantage of working in both with the mother nature and with the research.